Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be adding a new column. I'm going to create a new column using a formula tool. So from the tool palette, I'm going to grab the formula tool and connect that to the cleansing tool. In the configuration window on the left for the formula tool, select the column drop down here and then click on this one here to add a column, and I'm going to add the name for the column. This is going to be a full name column. I've called the new column I want to add, I've called it full name. The data type and the size can be adjusted under the expression editor. So I'm going to keep the default data type, which is v_w string. I'm going to change the size to 35. So I'm going to clear what I have there and type in 35 as the new size for this data column. I'm also going to enter an expression in the expression editor. So I've clicked on it to enter an expression because I want this new column to be a combination of the first name and last name. So I'm going to enter an expression that will make that possible. So you enclose your expression in brackets. So this is my opening bracket. I type in first, which is the first name column, and I'm going to concatenate it with a plus. Concatenation basically means adding two texts together. So you do that using the addition operator. So the other column I want to add to the first name column is the last name column. So I've now added an expression, which is going to be the first name plus the last name will comprise the data for this new column called full name. Next, I'm going to run the workflow. So I click on the run button here and that will run the workflow. I'm going to click on the output icon so that we can see the result of the new column. So if I scroll down, we can see the new column I've added, which is called full name, which comprises the first name and the last name. In this video, I added a new column to the workflow. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.